Good morning, everybody. It's the day after FOMC and things are getting crazy. Market giving a lot of all-time high and SPX so close to all-time high. And let's see what's going on. Is market overextended? Yes, it is. Can overextended get more overextended? Sure, it can. So I always say expensive can get more expensive, cheap can get cheaper. So parabolic move can keep going on until at some point fails. Ride the trend until it lasts, and it is what it is. So for now, market is very uptrendy, and the 4 hour daily and weekly are looking everything very bullish. What was interesting yesterday was that a lot of small caps start jumping huge, and the big giant techs weren't so much in getting involved too much. Like they were like Microsoft, even after FOMC made a new low of the day. And yeah, so money, a lot of money is flowing into RUT. As you can see, RUT is 2% green today, and IWM, and yeah, money is flowing a lot. The rate goes lower, is better for growth name for small caps. So anyhow, ES pre-market, jobless claim came in, and it came a little bit pullback and then jumped up higher. In this market, is every dip is a buy. Even if you pull back, let's say 3%, 4%, 5%, whatever happens, this is gonna rip up again. So it's a dip buy market. Any dip is a buy, any pullback is a buy, and sky is the limit for now. 5 minutes is upward, 15 is upward. If the 30 MACD golden cross on the ES, then we can run up higher. 1 hour is kind of flat. 4 hour daily MACD very bullish. NQ, same thing. 515 is upward. If 30 MACD golden cross, can run up higher. 16885 was the high of yesterday. Keep in mind, NQ is futures is already new all-time high, and QQQ is very close to a new all-time high. As always, please like the video. That helps a lot. Subscribe and like it. If there's any comment, if there's any symbol you're interested, let me know in the comment too. 515 is upward, and need to have a 30 MACD golden cross for run up. 16885. If we do pass that one, market can get squeezy on tech too. 4 hour it's kind of flat, but daily and weekly are very bullish. Dow Jones made a new all-time high yesterday. Sky's the limit there. I'll show you the levels on DIA. That's the ETF for Dow Jones. Very bullish on daily and weekly, and 4 hour for now. RUT is ripping up. That one is just crazy. Monthly MACD is finally golden cross. I show you the levels on IWM, and this one, I mean, if it has chance to go crazier higher. TNX monthly MACD is dead cross. That's a very good news. It's below 40.42. That's a super major level. It was in the past and super major now, and is opening below it. As long as we stay below it, that's very good. And next target is 38.75, 37.44. If this one dives bigger, market can get even crazier. But if it goes above 40.42, expect some small pullback. Pre-market right now 15:30, 1 hour, 4 hour, everything downward, daily downward, everything downward there. DXY, DXY getting bearish there too. Daily MACD is dead crossing. That's very good. Next target there is 101.914. If it does break that one, 101.37, and can help tech squeeze up higher. Wicks on just keep going lower. Next level there, it was interesting actually. VIX was green yesterday, even though the market was ripping up higher. Next level on VIX is 1135. If at any time during the next few days, if VIX goes above 1307, then we should be worried about pullback. But until then, it's just gonna be up and down between 1135, 12.1, and 1307 is a key level to be worried. But 1135, if it passes, we're looking for these levels: 1082, 1028, 1062. Daily MACD is not dead cross yet, but once it does, can get interesting on the market too. BTC, BTC tried to jump up yesterday, but again pulled back this morning, so nothing exciting there again, bullish wise. And Apple made a new all-time high pre-market yesterday, but it's kind of flat for now. Nothing special on the indicators, so it's all about levels. If we do pass 198.54, and the high of yesterday after market close was 198.78. If we do pass that one, we're looking at 199.52, 201.1. If 200 passes, next major levels are 203, 205, 207.79. Very bullish on the 4-hour daily and weekly, so it does have chance to pass 200. Thank you. Amazon 150. 150 making a new high. 150 made a pre-market headed 150, so it's all about that mental level. 150.55. If we pass that one, we're looking for run up to 151.94, 153.06, 154.18. Above that is squeeze up to 157.82. Yesterday, January monthlies were getting loaded 150 calls. Very bullish on the 1 hour, 4 hour. Daily we start getting a first TTM squeeze the light blue bar, so it can get interesting there too. Nvidia 4 points higher. It's all about 487. Already 15:30 1 hour is dead cross. So as I mentioned, when techs were a little bit weak yesterday after FOMC, so it's all about 487.99. If we do pass that one, 489, 491, 493.88. Keep an eye on open. If you see a jump up, it can continue going higher. I like it that the daily TTM squeeze got a yellow bar. Once the daily MACD golden crosses, 500 can come. AVGO starts showing some weaknesses. This one, 1101.55, that's a major level. It almost touched it yesterday and just some pullback. And after FOMC, not much happened there. So this one already run crazy last 3-4 days. So pre-market right now, 15:30 1 hour is that cross downward. 4 hour is not. We don't have dark blue bar, so it still have a chance to jump up. It's all about 1101.55. If that one passes, these are the next level: 11:15, 11:38, 11:62. But for now, it seems like it wants to rest a little bit. Baba was a strong jumper yesterday too because of FOMC, but again, pull back and jump up pre-market. It's on next level to watch is 72.09. I like it that we got a yellow bar on the daily. Once the daily MACD golden cross can get interesting, but I would like to see a yellow bar on the weekly, then can say better confirmation that this is ready to jump up. Netflix, this one is just getting crazy. It's 480, 488. That's a key major level to watch. If that one passes, next major is 493, and above that 508. Pre-market right now 15:30, kind of flat, 1 hour flat. So we need to pass 484 strong. If that one passes, those are the next target. Meta. Again, that Meta was in the category of weak names after FOMC yesterday. Need to pass 338 to jump up to the higher level, 341, 345. Daily MACD is near golden crossing, so keep an eye on. Once that happens, it can possibly jump up higher. But again, because it was a weak category yesterday, if you see a pullback, it's 333, 331. Those are the support there. Tesla 2 points higher. It was very weak at open yesterday, but it pulled back. Some dip buyers came in, and then FOMC pushed it crazy higher. 4 hour got a golden cross pre-market, but right now 15 and 30 is that cross kind of flat. So it's all about levels to watch. 242. If 242 to 97, 242.97 passes, we go again back to 244, 246.1. 246.1 was a key major level last few weeks. If we can pass that one, then we can talk about a breakout and crazier go higher, 248, 252, 256, 54. Daily MACD is still dead cross, but I like that the 4 hour is upward, 1 hour is upward. So it's all about 242.97 and 246. Past that one can get crazier. Microsoft, again, that one was in the category of weak names yesterday, but it pulled up into the close 375.76. That's a key major level to watch. Past that one, we're looking at 376, 378, 380. Pre-market right now, I like that the 5 and 30 MACD is golden cross. If the 375.76 passes, we can run up higher. Google, Still weak on the daily. We are very red on the TTM squeeze on daily. It tried to jump up. It's all about 134.15. If it can take over that one, then we're looking at 135.59, 136.48. AMD, same like AVGO. It had a crazy run up last few days, so possibly some rest up there. It needs to pass 140 to get interesting. 140 passes, we're looking at the 142.72 next level. It's still very bullish on daily and weekly, but the 4 hour is dead cross, so that's why it is a little bit weak in jumping up. Boeing. 252 pre-market high, 253 if John continues going higher, 253.32, 255.69. 4 hour is kind of dead cross and it's kind of flat, and that's why it doesn't have enough power to go up. Need to pass 253 to continue going higher, but for now looking like it wants to rest a little bit. SPY 3 points higher, 473.22. If it passes that one, we're looking at 475, 477.92. That's the next major level there. Pre-market 515 is up. If 30 MACD golden cross, all-time high is not too far away on this one. QQ, same thing. Yeah, all-time high 3 points away. It's all about 406.45. Last night high was 406.59. If you pass that one, we're looking at 407, 408.99. All-time high I believe is 408. So keep an eye on that one. Seeing a little bit of weakness pre-market, so it's possible some profit locking at open. Just keep that in mind. IWM is just insanely went up, and right now is all about 200. If 200, 233, 201.84 can pass, this one can get crazy. My next major targets are, because the monthly MACD's golden cross is 206, 216, and 227.27. 227, it's possible to come in January, who knows. With the daily 4 hour daily, weekly, everything, we're looking very bullish. Monthly MACD golden cross, not impossible to get to 227 by next month. TLT, TNX pulling back, TLT jumping up, 98.07, 98.91, those are the next target. Pan W keeps going higher, 317, 322.19, that's the next major level. 322 pass, 328, 337. Coin was strong into the close, but BTC is weakening, so that's probably some rest there. 1 hour we got dark blue bar. Snow is all about 200. 267 pass, 203.26. LLY opening above 600, so next level is 605, 612.42. What else you got? Costco, MDB 417, 419.49. ZS new all-time high, I believe, 221, 226.06. LRCX is already opening above 740. Next target is 746, 753.14. Roku is getting a strong too. Small cap growth, 105.64, 107.87 is the next target. SMCI getting interesting there too. It's all about 281.56. If it can pass that one, 287, 296, 306 can come this week. GS continue going higher too. 367 passes. We're looking at possibly 376, 386. Not today, but in the long targets. JP Morgan, I don't know what they're doing. $1 billion loss, but this looks very bullish. Just look, all the MACDs are upward. So GLD was a strong jump up yesterday too, and is strong pre-market. Next target is 190.83. If it can pass that one, it can get crazy. All-time high was 192.04, so not too far away. Dia. Dia is a new all-time high, so that one, keep an eye on that one. 375, 379.99. AFRM was running up yesterday, but some pullback right now. Be cautious there. So as I mentioned, a little bit, maybe some possible some profit locking at open. UPST 45.25. If it passes that one, we're looking at 46.55, 48.21. But again, some weaknesses are happening pre-market. Adobe dumped big and then right now recovering. So if the 1 hour MACD golden cross, it's possible to go red to green. 606 is the key. 606 pass, 614, 625. HD was running yesterday too. Rates lower, better. People buy more homes. 354, 360, 366 are the next major levels for next long targets. That's pretty much it. QCOM, Caterpillar very strong. mRNA got news for cancer. So three and watch 90. If 89, 92 passes, we look at 92, 39, 95, 100. Not impossible to 100 comes this week. RH is strong, was strong yesterday too. So 290 passes, we're looking at 311. INTC has an AI event, so that's interesting. Um, do, do, do. Okay. SPY right now you exited, so wait for the 30 MACD Golden Cross. If 30 MACD Golden Cross past pre-market high, and we're looking for 475, 477. And NKE last one. NKE very bullish. 123.78. That's the next major. If it passes that one, next major level is 128.4. That's pretty much it. Thank you so much for tuning in, and as always, have a beautiful day.